here, Hot Mesh Mom. This is what we're going to be making. It's a little Christmas tree, you guys. You're not gonna put the feet on here. I kept this on because it does come off. I'm gonna add a little bit of DAP glue onto that because I want it to stay. You want to have a flat side. See how this is flat? You're gonna spread all these little fingers apart, okay? Now, if you buy the kit, it's gonna come with ribbon for the top. So this is for our bow at the top. We're gonna set that to the side. Here's our mesh, and I cut the mesh. I think I did 6 of them. Let me see. This is so easy. Okay, 15 inches. So line up your mesh, 15 inches. You're gonna take your mesh, and it's curl side up, okay? I'm gonna fold this in the middle. It's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna ruffle it right there. You're gonna make these little bows. This, you're gonna go straight into the top. If you wanna start at the top, you can. I'm just gonna start right here on the side. And these are your ties. You're gonna put them right in the fingers here because this is wire. So you don't even need a pipe cleaner, okay? So I'm gonna do another one right here. Next, I'm gonna take the ribbon tails. This is on our ribbon tail board. I used the one that has the handle, the 8 inches. And on this one here, we only did 1 set of ribbons at 8 inches. I'm gonna start with the 6 for the pieces of mesh that I put in there. Cut those from start to finish. This is a very quick project. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna set this to the side, and you're just gonna take your tails, fold them in half on that crease. You're gonna do the exact same thing right here. I'm actually gonna untie this one time and go right where the mesh is and just go back and retie it. Do the same thing to the rest of these, fold it in half together, find my other tie, which is here. I'm undoing it once, putting that in, and then redoing the little finger. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. And you see, I'm just having the ribbon sticking out. If you wanna add more ribbon tails, load it up. Now, comes with the glitter balls. This one I didn't have my glue gun, so those ones are just on there. I'm just gonna go through and start adding the glitter balls to the ends here. And this kit comes with the red and the white. Oops, try not to burn myself. Put that right there. Now for the bow, what I'm going to do, I think 7 inches is what I did. 10 inches, another 10 inches. So you're gonna have something like this, okay? And then bring both of the patterns to the front like this. And I have a little bit of this, so let's make a mini bow. So take this and take my clip. I got 24 inches left. So 6-inch tail, a 3-inch loop, which is actually 6. You're measuring your thing here. This is 6 inches, but when you loop it, it's 3 and 3. There we go. Bring that to the front. I'm just gonna set this right on top of there like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my pipe cleaner. I'm just gonna take a white one. Take your pipe cleaner, get it around your ribbon, and then twist it off. What you're gonna do is you're gonna come up here to the top. This is gonna be my back. I'm gonna tie this right here at the top. Twist this off on here. I'm gonna twist it a few times. Then I'm gonna make a loop out of this. And that's how I'm gonna hang it. And then here is your piece. Let's get this dovetailed here. So quick, easy, fun. If you have a Dollar Tree near you, go and scoop up all the pieces or buy the kit from us. We have 5 different sets. There's only a few of each. Because one, we really wanted to see if you guys like this, but you guys are loving the different price points that we have now. So we're just gonna keep cranking stuff out, okay? Look at how cute this is. And then this is what it looks like hanging on the door. Isn't that cute? I know it's crooked, I gotta fix that. Like that. Isn't that cute? And then if you wanna see it on the wall, there's that. Did I make anything with a pet? I don't think so, but that's okay. So then you can hang it up and you can fix it. If you don't like the bow that high, you can move it down. But this is adorable.